So, we will be learning about elapsed time and the Make 60 approach using the set and linear model with word problems. And first we're going to read our word problem. Peyton left his house at 2:45 p.m. He returned to his house at 5:30 p.m. How much time was he out of the house? And the first model we are going to be using is the set model. And for our set model, we will be using a time tracker. And so we'll have the hour, minute, and looking at our start time was when Peyton left the house, because we want to find out how much time he was gone. So if using our start time for 2:45 p.m. is what we're going to do. So we're going to put 2, the hours, 2:45, and this is our start time. Now, he returned to his house at 5:30 p.m. So, using our time tracker, we're going to go to 5:30 p.m. And to do that, I'm going to add 15 minutes, and that will give us 3 o'clock using the Make 60 approach. And now I'm going to add 60 minutes, so I do 60 minutes an hour. That gives us 4 o'clock. I'm going to add 60 minutes again, which gives us 5 o'clock. I need to get to 5:30 p.m. And I'm going to use that. I'm going to do that with using 30 minutes. That will give us 5:30 as our end time. And now what we need to do is we need to figure out how much time was he out of the house. So we're going to add up all of the minutes that we added on this column. So we have 60 minutes plus 60 minutes. And 60 minutes is an hour. So this would be an hour and this would be an hour. Hour plus an hour equals 2 hours. Now we have 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So we're going to add 30 plus 15. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 45 minutes. So Peyton was out of the house for 2 hours and 45 minutes. And now I'm going to demonstrate solving this word problem with the linear model. Again, we have to realize our start time was 2:45 p.m. because we want to know how much time he was out of the house. And to find that out, we need to use the time he left the house. So our start time is going to be 2:45 p.m. Now each black tick mark equals another hour. And each of the little tick marks in between is by 15-minute increments. So I'm going to say right here 2:45, and we want to get to 5:30. So I'm going to go by 15 minutes to 3 p.m. and then an hour to 4 p.m. 60 minutes to 5 p.m. or an hour. 15 minutes to 5:15 p.m. Another 15 minutes to 5:30 p.m. And now again we're going to add up the minutes that have passed by. So 2 hours, 1, 2 hours, And then we have 3 15-minute increments. We're going to add 15 3 times. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 15. One up there. 4 fours, 4 ones, 4. Again, the answer to our problem is 2 hours and 45 minutes. Is how long Peyton was let out of his house. A common misconception about telling time is the base 60. A lot of students, when teaching the concept of time, try to add up these numbers in base 10. And so this leads them to be adding 15 plus 60 equals 75 minutes when we regroup at 60. So a way to fix that misconception is teaching them that we are in base 60, and just like when we're in base 10, we regroup when we hit 60. And when we regroup at 60 minutes, that becomes an hour.